Moniepoint recently raised an impressive $90 million, backed by some of the world's biggest investors. This achievement has many African founders wondering, how did they do it? And more importantly, how can you raise capital like them? Today, we're breaking down the real blueprint behind big funding rounds, revealing the actual mechanics of raising capital in Africa. When billion-shilling raises hit the news, they often inspire but rarely instruct. However, big raises always follow a clear pattern. They are not random or about luck. They are built on narrative clarity, strong numbers, unstoppable execution, undeniable traction, and founder credibility. This video will show you how Moniepoint used these exact ingredients and how you can recreate them at your stage, whether you're raising $50,000 or $5 million. Every major raise follows a three-part structure, the investor readiness triangle. This includes a big enough problem, evidence of deep customer understanding, and momentum showing you're solving the problem at scale. Moniepoint didn't just pitch themselves as another fintech. They framed a continent-wide pain point. They identified that businesses in Africa lack reliable, affordable financial systems, a massive problem affecting millions. Investors are drawn to big, painful, and expensive problems. For your business, ask, is the problem you're solving big enough, urgent enough, and expensive enough? A vague pitch like "we want to help SMEs grow" is a wish, not a problem. But stating millions of SMEs lose revenue because they cannot access .. and we fix that speaks investor language. Investors don't fund products. They fund deep, ground-level insight into your customer. Moniepoint demonstrated they understood that African SMEs need reliability, support, credit, and systems that work everywhere, even offline rural areas. This level of insight convinces investors you're building something inevitable. Ask yourself, have you spoken to enough customers? Can you describe their day in detail? Do you know what they fear losing? Founders who raise big don't guess. They know. Here's the brutal truth. Investors listen to your pitch, but they believe your numbers. Moniepoint showed undeniable traction, not just user signups, but daily active users, monthly volume, retention, and revenue growth. You don't need huge numbers to impress investors. You just need consistent, upward momentum. If you're early stage, show 20 new customers per week, 10% month-on-month revenue growth, or 40% repeat usage. Momentum beats a perfect deck, a big idea, and even hype. Moniepoint executed like a machine, expanding fast, serving customers consistently, maintaining uptime, and adapting quickly. Investors back founders who execute relentlessly, not those waiting for the perfect moment. The execution checklist includes doing more with less, iterating fast, responding to customers immediately, making tough decisions early, and delivering what you promised. Execution is the difference between "I have a startup idea" and "I'm building something unstoppable." Most founders pitch fundraising as "we need money to grow," which is often wrong. Companies that raise millions say, "we are already growing. Funding will accelerate an engine that is working." Investors do not fund hope, they fund acceleration. The question isn't "how can I get investors to believe in me?" but "what evidence can I show so investors can't ignore me?" Here is your repeatable, practical blueprint to raise like Moniepoint. Step 1. Clarify the problem you solve, making it painful and big so investors say, "Yes, this is a real, expensive problem." Step 2. Build early traction. Even 10 paying users is enough because traction beats theory. Step 3. Clean up your numbers. Investors hate financial chaos, and a fractional CFO can make a massive difference. Step 4. Build momentum and document it monthly. Investors love progress, and progress signals execution. Step 5. Reach out strategically and start building relationships early. Connect, share updates, and build trust. This is exactly how Moniepoint grew investor confidence over time. Moniepoint raising $90 million is not just a story about fintech. It's about preparedness, clarity, and execution. The question is no longer, "Why can't I raise like them?" The new question is, "What can I start doing today to make my business fundable?" If you need help with investor readiness, cleaning up your numbers, building a fundraising story, or preparing a strong deck, email us at partner@kfopartners.fund. We'll help you get your business investor ready, because raising capital is not magic, it's preparation. And if Moniepoint raised $90 million, you can raise your number too.